Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk honestly about an important topic, something people feel every day, and that is fear of speaking English. Maybe you also feel nervous while speaking English. Maybe your hands shake, maybe your mind becomes blank, maybe you know the answer but you cannot speak. If this happened to you, don't worry because this happens with almost everyone. Friends, that truth is most people are not weak in English, they are weak in confidence. In school and college, many of us studied English only to pass exam. We learned grammar rules, we memorized answer, but nobody taught us how to speak confidently. That is why today many people understand English but cannot speak it. Why? I also want to tell you something important things. Fluent English is not magic. It is daily practice. When we see fluent speakers on YouTube or social media, we think, oh, their English is perfect. But we forget one thing. They were also beginners once. They also made mistakes. They also felt nervous. The only difference is they kept practicing. Friends, one of the biggest problems is overthinking. We think too much before speaking. We try to make every sentence perfect. And finally, we say nothing. But language is not about perfection. Language is about communication. Every broken English is better than silence. If you say, I going market, slowly you can improve it. I am going to the market. This is how improvement happens. Step by step, not in one day. Another truth is we fear people's opinion too much. We think, what will people say? But honestly, most people are busy with their own lives. And the people who laugh at beginners usually never try new things themselves. So never stop because of fear. Your future is more important than people's opinion. Friends, confidence comes from action, not from thinking. If you want to speak English, so speak daily, make mistake daily, learn daily, and improve daily. That is the real secret. Speak in front of mirror, record your voice, talk to yourself in English. Even 10 minutes of daily practice can change your confidence. And please remember this. Don't compare your chapter 1 with someone else's chapter 10. Everyone learns differently. Your journey is unique. Maybe today your English is weak, but if you continue practicing, one day people will say your English is so good, and that day you will smile and remember your struggle. So, from today, stop waiting for perfect English. Start speaking with confidence because confidence is not a never make mistakes. Confidence is I am not afraid of mistakes. Speak English without fear and improve every single day. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you connected with this speech, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and keep practicing, keep growing and never give up on yourself. Thank you so much guys.